Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. September is a busy month, especially if you have a garden because it's harvest time. We dry or freeze herbs, make preserved foods as well as enjoying them in recipes. There's a healthy one that David and I enjoy because it's the fruit of our labor. Or should I say vegetable? In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my garden vegetable juice. Super healthy, the combination of fresh ingredients gives this juice a delicious taste. It's extremely easy to make as long as you own a juicer. So my friends, let's get cooking. First, let's process our tomatoes. Then, 1 large red pepper, a few carrots, celery ribs, and an apple. We'll transfer into a pitcher and add orange juice as well as agave nectar. We'll stir very well and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our garden vegetable juice. Incredibly fresh and flavorful, this juice is a great part of a healthy lifestyle. It is loaded with vitamins and nutrients, and with all the fresh produce out there, start your day up right with this juice. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!